So here we have it, competition is over and we have ourselves a winner. So thank you to everyone who obviously subscribes, who's watched the video, and to all the old viewers who come back and subscribe to everything like that. Thanks for all the positive comments from all you guys as well. It was been a bit difficult to actually work out who was real and who was not real, because I had about 300 views on the video, I had about 200 comments and about 24 new subscribers. So looking through all the comments, as I always do, everyone's saying, oh, you're doing great, it's amazing, well done, and telling me the fruit that you needed to do, but then I only had 24 subscribers or something. So clearly something wasn't going there. And other ones were saying my friend Jack put this out there. So I don't know whether they just, the numbers didn't add up, let's put it that way. The subscriptions and the keywords and everything weren't in there. So I think they were just in there for the free giveaway, which is fine. But I don't think they subscribed through to the channel, or it got stuck in a loop somewhere from that all. So out of everybody who I can decipher through, who have left a comment and who had subscribed or were already subscribed and left a comment, the winner is Motor Matters from London. So congratulations. If you want to get in contact with me from this video, and I'll try and send you an email. Subscribe to your channel, so hopefully we can get in contact and then we can work out how we're going to get the Windgoo down to you. So thanks for that, and as I say, thanks to all you guys who did subscribe and who like the videos and are here to stick around. And that's it really. So thanks for watching, and I'm going to be doing some new stuff with the electric scooter from that point of view, but it's going to be the end of it now for the B20. So if you're only here for the B20 videos, maybe you need to follow Motor Matters, because he's going to be the guy with it now from that point of view. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.